Do you ever found yourself head over heels for someone, yet unable to make them see you in the same light? Do you yearn for their attention, their affection, their love? What if I told you there's a way to turn that crush into a girlfriend, using methods you never thought possible? Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to turn your crush into a girlfriend in just 7 steps, utilizing the dark arts of psychology. But be warned, what you're about to learn is not for the faint of heart. We're delving into the depths of manipulation, so proceed with caution. Step 1. Establishing control. Imagine standing on the edge of a vast chessboard, each move calculated to ensnare your opponent. That's the essence of manipulation, where the first move is crucial: establishing control. It's about mastering the art of influence without detection, like a puppeteer pulling invisible strings. Picture this: you sit across from your crush, their every gesture a clue waiting to be deciphered. Mirroring their body language becomes your silent language, speaking volumes without saying a word. As they lean in, so do you. When they smile, your lips curve in synchrony. It's a dance of subtlety, a dance of power. But it doesn't end there. Subtle nudges guide their decisions, gently steering them towards paths you've meticulously laid out. Your suggestions become their desires, seamlessly intertwined until they can't distinguish between your will and theirs. And then there's dependency, the cornerstone of control. Like a spider spinning its web, you weave a tapestry of reliance, making yourself indispensable. They come to rely on your guidance, your presence, your approval. In this intricate game of psychological chess, control is not just about domination, it's about orchestration, where every move brings you closer to victory. So, take that first step with caution, for once control is established, the game truly begins. Step 2. Building trust. Trust, the currency of intimacy, the adhesive that binds hearts together in the tapestry of relationships. In our journey of manipulation, trust becomes our most coveted treasure, the key to unlocking the gates of affection. Picture yourself as a master craftsman, shaping perceptions and molding realities with delicate precision. Armed with the power of control, you wield trust like a potent elixir, intoxicating your target with every drop. It begins with subtlety. With the gentle art of suggestion, you plant seeds of reliability in the fertile soil of their mind, nurturing them with calculated actions and strategic words. Each interaction becomes a brushstroke in the portrait of your trustworthiness, painted with finesse and finesse. But it's not enough to merely appear trustworthy. You must become their sanctuary, their confidant in a world of uncertainty. You listen with empathy, offering solace and understanding in their moments of vulnerability. Your presence becomes their refuge, a safe harbor in the tempest of life. And as they open their hearts to you, trust blossoms like a flower in bloom, its petals unfurling to reveal the depth of their affection. They confide in you their deepest secrets, their fears, their desires, knowing that you will guard them with unwavering loyalty. In the grand tapestry of manipulation, building trust is not just a means to an end. It's the foundation upon which all else is built. So, wield it wisely, for in the realm of the heart, trust is the most precious commodity of all. Step 3. Creating emotional bonds. Now that the seeds of trust have taken root, it's time to weave the threads of emotional connection into a tapestry of intimacy. Like a skilled artisan, you'll sculpt moments of vulnerability and authenticity, forging bonds that defy the passage of time. Take it yourself as a storyteller, spinning tales of your innermost thoughts and experiences. Inviting your target into the inner sanctum of your soul, you peel back the layers of your being, revealing scars and triumphs alike, painting a portrait of raw humanity. But it's not just about sharing your own stories. It's about creating a safe space for them to do the same. You listen with unwavering attention, holding space for their deepest fears and desires without judgment or reservation. In this sacred exchange, trust deepens and bonds strengthen as you become each other's confidants in a world of chaos. As you navigate this delicate dance of emotional intimacy, remember that vulnerability is the currency of connection. Each shared secret, each whispered fear, cements your bond further, creating a fortress of trust that feels unbreakable. And in the quiet moments between conversations, you'll find solace in the knowledge that you've transcended the superficiality of surface-level interactions, forging a connection that is as deep as it is enduring. So, embrace the vulnerability, cherish the authenticity, and watch as the bonds of emotional connection grow stronger with each passing moment. For in the realm of manipulation, true power lies not in control, but in the bonds forged by genuine human connection. Step 4. Leveraging reciprocity. The dance of give and take, where each gesture becomes a step in the intricate waltz of manipulation. Reciprocity, the unspoken contract of human interaction, becomes your greatest ally in the pursuit of influence. Imagine yourself as a master conductor, orchestrating a symphony of favors and gestures designed to evoke a sense of indebtedness in your crush. You offer small tokens of kindness, subtle acts of generosity that leave a lasting impression. A thoughtful gesture here, a helping hand there, each one a brushstroke in the portrait of your benevolence. But here's where the true artistry comes into play: strategic withdrawal. Like a magician performing a sleight of hand, you subtly pull back, leaving your crush yearning for more. It's a delicate balance of give and take, a dance of anticipation and desire that leaves them craving your presence. In this game of reciprocity, you hold the strings, pulling them ever closer with each carefully calculated move, and as they fall under your spell, they'll find themselves indebted to you in ways they never thought possible. Step 5. Seeding doubt. Envision yourself as a skilled gardener, carefully tending to the soil of their thoughts. With whispered insinuations and subtle innuendos, you sow seeds of doubt about the intentions and affections of others, subtly undermining their confidence in anyone but you. As these seeds take root, they grow into vines of suspicion, wrapping around their thoughts and emotions. They'll find themselves questioning the sincerity of others' gestures, comparing them unfavorably to your own. And in this shadow of doubt, your presence will shine ever brighter, a beacon of certainty in a sea of uncertainty. In the art of manipulation, seeding doubt is the ultimate strategy, for once planted, these seeds can grow into a forest of devotion, binding your crush to you in ways they never thought possible. 6. Manipulating jealousy. Think yourself as a master illusionist, crafting scenarios that stir the flames of jealousy in your crush's heart. You'll subtly highlight interactions with others, igniting a sense of competition as they vie for your affections. Whether it's a casual conversation or a lingering glance, every gesture becomes a calculated move in the game of manipulation. As jealousy takes root, it becomes a driving force, propelling your crush to seek validation and approval from you. They'll find themselves drawn to you like a moth to a flame, desperate to prove their worthiness in the face of perceived competition. In the art of manipulation, jealousy is a double-edged sword, capable of both driving a wedge and strengthening the bond between you and your crush. So wield it wisely, for in the game of love, jealousy can be a powerful ally in your quest for dominance. Step 7. Solidifying commitment. This is the final act, where every move counts. With emotional manipulation and subtle ultimatums, make your crush feel they can't live without you. Paint a future together, intertwining your lives until they can't imagine being apart. In this delicate dance, lead them willingly into your embrace, solidifying your place as the master of their heart. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to turning your crush into a girlfriend using the dark arts of psychology. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.